So I was on the road today and I needed to get lunch, so I decided to stop at this place that I have passed before. It looked so lovely. The sun isn't out, so it would be a beautiful photograph, but look at this lantern. Let's go. I was surprised to see it so busy on this day. It was humming. I did not expect to see so many people lunching. I loved the architecture, these beautiful beams, the wood elements, and then there's a lovely skylight right there if you can actually see it. I didn't go around to that side because I was ordering takeout. The waiting area was lovely with this beautiful wood top table, and there was an oak barrel just right beside me. They also have outdoor dining, which it's a rainy day today. It's been a rainy day every day, so the umbrellas are down, but I can just imagine how stunning they are when they're up. And of course, the fires are burning. And since everybody just wants to know what the food was like, I ordered a steak sandwich. I got fries with it. I wish there was some vegetables somewhere, like some slaw or something. This was 19 something plus tax, so I'll tell you how it was after I've had it. The fries are quite salty. Since I cook with little or no salt, most things taste salty to me, but it tastes fresh. It is tasty, but it is giving cheese and mushroom and onion, but it's not giving much steak. So let me give it another bite. It's pretty good. It has chunks of steak and tastes fresh, tastes good, very flavorful. Yeah, I enjoyed. A little small though. I would have liked it to have been a foot long. Anyway, I liked it. Thanks for watching.